What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this Bitcoin price update. I'm currently traveling through Italy, guys, so this is a very quick and short video because things are looking bad right now. Unfortunately, I have to bring this video update right now, guys. We are currently at important support for Bitcoin, but unfortunately bad things are happening that we're gonna cover in this video. So welcome everyone on board. I'm currently traveling through Domodossola in Italy, so shout out to everyone that is currently in Italy, guys. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. We hit over 3,000 subscribers and suddenly more and more people are coming, guys, so thank you very much for your great support. Of course, we're gonna do the nice $100 giveaway as soon as I'm back from Italy next week. And meanwhile, of course, be subscribed. Check out also my other social media platforms over on X, TikTok, Telegram, and so on. And also check out all links that you find in the video description. For example, exchanges that I'm using. Everywhere you get the maximum sign-up bonus if you sign up with my links. And of course, also if you're looking out for new hyped cryptos for the next bull run and for the next big leg up, then check them out, guys, because we have seen that in the last altcoin season, we have seen only new coins performing very well. The old ones were left behind. Some of them maybe created slightly new all-time highs like Ethereum or Solana, but nothing too special. That's why if you want to be in the next altcoin season with new coins, then maybe check out the new upcoming cryptos that we can buy in right now. For example, Bitcoin Hyper, that is extremely hyped and that will come out very, very soon in a not so distant future. Check them out, guys, because currently you can invest them in the pre-sale phase before they're launching on exchanges. And of course, here we're gonna cover with Bitcoin now, guys, the daily and weekly time frame, because there big things are happening right now. Remember, everything is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you see me trading, buying and selling different cryptos, it's only my own opinion and my own price analysis. And for Bitcoin, guys, as you can see, we had a big meltdown and a big crash, especially in the altcoins yesterday. And right now we are finding some support at around $95,000. We're seeing a bounce. And this support is coming from this blue trend line that I have drawn here many weeks ago, which was the previous support here from this channel that Bitcoin created here. And if we pull out the support and resistance lines, you can clearly see that Bitcoin here had again resistance. We had here a little fake out and immediately we crashed down to the bottom. So once again, we are at this support. It is possible that we're going to bounce at some point here and maybe even retest the resistance at 103, 104K, but things are looking now extremely bearish because we have this big crash and we have now weekly closes on the CMEs below the 50 weekly moving average. And therefore we have to open up the CME chart. And here on the weekly time frame, you can see that for the first time we had a weekly close below the 50 weekly moving average. And for me personally, that in my opinion, I think the bear market has started. Even if we would go up here and push again towards this resistance at 112K, even then I would remain bearish. I only would start to be again more bullish if we see again weekly closes above this resistance, above 112K. Then I think we have the chance to resume the bull run and expect for Bitcoin the continuation of the bull market. And what we have seen here was just a fake out. But even if we see a rally here and we get rejected, even here at 112, 115K and we roll over, I think the bear market started and we're gonna see most likely a bear market until the end of 2026. And we can, of course, meanwhile then DCA into Bitcoin and whatever altcoin that we want until then. On the spot chart, we're gonna close this candle tomorrow evening, on Sunday evening, so not today. And also not yesterday. The CMEs closed yesterday. That's why that weekly close is already confirmed. But here on the spot chart, we have 1 day and 10 hours left to go. But also here you can see that we're definitely way below the 50 weekly moving average, which is of course a bearish sign. The only hopium that I have right now is really that we're gonna have now a chance to bounce heavily here, right here at this important support. And therefore, of course, attack here the 112K area. And I think that this is possible to be incoming in the next coming days and weeks, also because you can see that we are having a death cross here. We're having a death cross in the Bitcoin price with the 50 daily moving average is going below the 200 daily moving average at 110K. That means that it is possible that we're gonna test this death cross, and then we're gonna see if we are back in a bull run, if we start to see daily closes above, or if we just confirm it as a resistance and then come back down. That's my only hopium that I have right now, because Bitcoin, every time that during this bull run we have seen a death cross, like here for example as well, you can see that we rallied into the death cross, and once we broke above, basically we have seen a continuation of our bull run. Here the same thing, death cross here, then we had a rally into the 200 daily moving average, so into the death cross, and then big continuation to the upside. That's the only opium that I have. But if we get here a rally into the 200 daily moving average in this area here, and we're not able to push above and continue the rally, then in my opinion, for the year of 2026, it's confirmed we entered into a bear market. So this is the TA for today, guys. I salute you for now. I know I don't have too much bullish things to show you right now because things are really looking bearish at the moment, at least for the next year. We're gonna have rallies, we're gonna have bounces, but they will end up in lower highs and not into new all-time highs for Bitcoin and continuation to the upside if this confirms right now. So that's why be subscribed here, guys. I keep you updated every day, even when I'm traveling, of course, also with shorter videos. Check out new upcoming cryptos, because even if we enter into a bear market, usually they're doing their own thing. They can even pump at launch, even if we are in the deepest of the bear markets. And always remember, we always have bounces. And then, of course, those low market cap coins, they have the chance, of course, to pump higher and higher. And keep in mind that new coins, also in this altcoin season, new coins performed very well and not the old ones. That's why we need also new coins, new projects for future bull runs. And the next hyped ones you can find here in the list in the video description. So that's it for now, guys. I salute you from Italy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.